Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PC and laptop. First of all, what you have to do is open your web browser, and in the web browser all you have to do is type in download Steam. Hit enter. It will open search result. Click on the top search result of Steam. Now you have to simply install the Steam. I have already installed Steam on my computer, so I will open Steam. As you can see, it has opened. So what you have to do in the Steam, go to library, or you have to go to the store. Click on store. Now it will open this kind of page. In the search bar, simply type in name of the game, Call of Duty Warzone. As you can see, here is Call of Duty Warzone. Click on it. Verify your age. And then play Call of Duty Warzone. Simply, as you can see, it is free right now. So I will simply click on play, or I can add to library. So I will click on play. It will ask me where do I want to install the game. So once I have selected, simply I will click on the install button and it will start to download on my computer. And that's simply how you can download Call of Duty Warzone on PC and laptop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.